Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am gonna tell you about how to fix frozen screen in your Samsung smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First friends, you can see if your smartphone is sometimes working or sometimes not working, you have to fix it with your settings. First you have to open your settings of your smartphone, then you have to click on applications, click on this reset app preference, tap on here, then you have to click on the search and write here settings. You have to clear cache this settings, tap on here. You can also do a clear data, then press back, then click on this again search and write here Google. You have to click on this and click on this Google Play services, tap on this. Now you have to clear cache this, tap on this, and this will fix your problem. And friends, if it is not fixing it, then you have to go to your nearby service center and fix your screen problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.